Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you easy way to skip Microsoft account sign in Windows 11. During installation or at this point, press Shift key plus F10 key. Or you can press Shift key plus Fn key plus F10. Once command prompt is open, type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right-click on the adapter and disable it. If you have any others adapters, also disable them. At the end of this video, I will show you how to enable all the adapter after Windows installation is completed. Close this window. Now go back to command prompt. Type the command oobe /bypassnro and hit enter. Wait for the PC to restart. Now the setup would not require Microsoft account. Continue with the normal installation setup. Over here, type the username as per your like. After that, you can type a password to secure your PC. Now you can see that our Windows is installed. Let's enable our Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapter. Go to Start menu, search for ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Now right-click and enable Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapter. Close the window. If you like the video, let me know in the comments section and hit like button.